Hello and welcome back to Hard Info. In this video, I will show you how to change screen timeout on TCL phone. Let's begin. And you can begin with simply going into the settings. Then you want to scroll just a little bit, head into display, and if we scroll down, we'll see sleep right under display controls. This means that after 1 minute of an activity, your phone will automatically lock its screen. So we can bump up this value to, for example, 2 or 5 minutes, but just remember that, generally speaking, whenever you increase that value, you also increase the battery usage, since by default your screen will turn itself off more rarely, and it will be turned on more frequently. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.